OTT platform Netflix gained tremendous popularity during this pandemic period. Netflix brings lots of new movies and shows in the last year. Presently, everyone is talking about Squid Games. In spite of its odd title, the Korean TV show is on course to be Netflix's biggest show ever. Everyone is surprised that what makes this Korean show most popular. It is a much more popular show as compared to the Spanish show Money Heist. Interestingly, this show did no serious promotion or advertisement campaign. But the social media world went wild. Everyone is talking about this show. The Squid Game show is about a secret game played by 456 desperate people in debt. Only one of them will win the billions of prize money. The rest will die. All the rounds of the game are based on children's games like tug of war. I know that you are thinking that what is unique in it? We have seen content like this. Why is it so remarkably popular then? Well, it is extremely well made and visually striking. All the episodes end with well-invented cliffhangers and shocking reveals. And the cast is excellent. But the same is true of so many other shows. Why is it Squid Game that has become a global sensation? This show is planned meticulously on our psychology. It is a very well-researched psychological market plan. In this show, the poor compete in a game of life and death quite literally for survival. And all this to entertain the super rich. This show generates our sympathy with the contestant, and also we are forced to think over social injustice. At the same time, we are watching the show and experiencing the pain of those players who are eliminated by killing. We become a part of the show very easily. The Squid Game show gives to psychological twists that make social criticism more digestible for global audiences. First, while we identify with the competitors and put ourselves in their shoes, that is not all we do. After a couple of episodes, it is revealed that these games are watched by VIPs who put money on the competitors, just like one does at the horse races. In some sense, when we watch this series, we are in a very similar position to these VIPs who take voyeuristic pleasure in finding out who dies in this round and who survives. So we occupy a double perspective. We are aligned with the competitors, worrying about their every move, but we are also aligned with the VIPs, coldly observing the games. The human mind is like that only. Good and bad at the same time. This show is a real product to explore your psychology. It touches various points of human psychology. I am quite sure that soon this show will be part of Harvard case studies. MBA students will learn market psychology through this show. The conclusion is that the psychology of the market matters.